Okay, so let us see how to create a table by using a query, a very simple DDL commands, that is by using a DDL language by using a create command. So I'll be using a create, so very simple English, create table. So you say create table, like we say in a database, create database, give a database name. Similarly here we have to say create table, just give a table name. So I'll call table name as employee details. So this would be my table name, details. Then inside this table, so if you want to create a table with this name, what fields do you want inside that? So first you need to define the structure. Like I want the column names. So first column name might be your ID column, and once you are taking your ID column, you have to specify the data type of this column. So what would be your data type? So this data type of ID will obviously an integer. So I'll give an integer, then put a comma, then I'll give a second column name. My second column name is name, and the data type of this, so the data type can be your string, but the string in SQL is written as varchar or char. We will be talking about this later on, but just now just remember that we are using a data type here. So let me close a bracket, and if I run this, so a new table will be created with these two columns. So with the help of this example, let me write a syntax here, like how to create a table. So we write to create a table, the syntax is create table, then here I'll write a table name, and then here first column name, column 1, and the data type of that column, put a comma, column 2, column 2, then put give a space and give a data type of that column 2, put a comma, column 3, and then data type of third column, and so on. Then put a bracket here and run this. So this will take care of creating an empty table without any records inside that. Let me take a new query and start creating a simple table here. So create table name. So I'll give a table name called employee details. Now first column name is ID, and the data type of that is an integer. Put a comma, second column name is name, and the data type of that would be your varchar. Let me take 20. I will explain about this, the what are the data types, then what that will be our next topic. We'll see in detail about the data types in SQL. So let me take only two columns and execute this. Now you can see that a create table has been executed in this many seconds, and so on. So let me just have a quick refresh. Once you have refreshed, we have created a new table inside an employee database, because that employee database was selected. So if I click on these tables, you can see oh, spelling is wrong. Okay, you can see the table name, that is employee details, and you can see it. So if you open this, you can see the columns also. If you open this, you can see two columns inside your employee details table. So this is your schema name, this is your table name, this is your column name 1 and 2. Inside that column, inside that table, you do not have any records. We have just created a table. I hope you enjoyed this session, guys. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. Keep learning.